Hello guys, this is my new electronic door lock key. I worked with 16F458 big microcontroller. In this project, I make my door opened with a password. The first, the LCD light off. Just press any key, it lights. If I enter the password, and then press OK, says pass OK, push door please, and then the light off again. When I enter the correct number, but if I enter the incorrect password for 5 times, it need master key like this. In case says wrong pass for second time, wrong pass for third time, wrong pass for fourth time, wrong pass for 5 time. It says enter the master code. When I enter the master code correct, she answered me enter new key. Any key I like. If I put this key, I can also delete any keys, enter new ones, like 1111. Okay, 111146, and says okay, says your new key save, and press the password again. Okay, the door unlocked, and this is a good project. I hope everybody to enjoy this. Thanks.